If you are a sweet potato lover like me, then you know there's something magical about the way the crust complements the smooth, creamy filling. Let's dive into the details of making a sweet potato pie where the crust shines just as much as the filling. Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making sweet potato cups. It's one of my favorite recipes. So let's get started. We're going to start off with one 40-ounce can of sweet potatoes. This recipe is not only going to save you time, but you're going to be wondering why you've been spending all that time peeling. The good thing about canned sweet potatoes is that you don't have to worry about the strings. I'm going to open it and pour them all in a bowl. Cinnamon, ginger. I like the extra flavor of ginger, but the amount of ginger you add is a matter of personal taste. Nutmeg, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of flour. This is your thickening agent. My daughter made a sweet potato pie, but she forgot to use flour to bind it together. And as you can guess, it fell apart. A half cup of sugar. So now we're going to take our potato masher and just mash it up. You're going to mash it just enough to break them up. Then you can use your mixer to smooth it out. This is about a 1/4 cup of heavy cream. I'm going to add just a little to it. And then stir it up and thin it out. We're going to add a little bit more milk. And at this point, we're going to use a mixer. Now, if you like yours lumpy, then that's fine too. But I like mine a little bit more smooth. So we're going to go ahead and mix it up. At this point, I'm going to taste it before I add the eggs. This is incredibly good. So now that it has passed the taste test, we're going to add 1 egg. Give it a good mix, making sure that you're scraping the bottom of the bowl so that the egg has not settled below. So now it's time to make the crust. You know me, I like to do it the easy way. So we're going to be using the Pillsbury pie crust today. So I just removed the edges from the dough. I'm going to use a cookie cutter to press down firmly on all edges of the cutter. So now we're going to gently place the dough circles at the bottom of the cupcake liners. Use a rolling pin on the remaining dough to make more circles. Next, use a pizza cutter to make 1-inch thick strips to line the sides of the cupcake liners. Now it's not going to look perfect, but the ideal is to line it so that you can enclose the filling. Use a butter knife or a spatula to lift the dough. So now that we've got the crust in place, we're going to go ahead and add our sweet potatoes. Using an ice cream scooper, we're just going to place it into the crust. You want to make sure that the sweet potatoes are rising above the top of the crust. Let me take this opportunity to thank you, my returning subscribers, and my new followers. You guys are amazing. Thank you for always liking my videos, sharing, and also commenting. I appreciate you all so much. Let it bake in the oven on 350 for 1 hour. Okay, it's been 1 hour and the sweet potato cups are done. Golden brown, perfectly set, and filling in the house with that irresistible, cozy aroma. Time to let it cool just a little bit before biting into it.